I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money using Wealthfront, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Wealthfront app. Launch the Wealthfront app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once you're on the home dashboard, look for the transfer option in the menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Send Money. In the transfer section, choose the Send Money option. This will allow you to initiate a money transfer to another account. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Fill in the recipient's information, including their name and the amount you wish to send. Double check the details to avoid mistakes. A quick tip: if you enter an incorrect email address, the transfer may fail, so be careful. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eshrok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. That's it. You've successfully sent money using Wealthfront. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help. Happy transferring.